will see about money, how it is being used, and the credit. So here on the board you can see there's a wallet and the money is going on. So this is the foreign currency, right? So basically we will see here how money acts as a medium of exchange, right? But guys, there is a one question. Do this money was in the market right from the beginning? जब से हम पैदा हुए, हम नहीं, हमारे पूर्वज, like we were residing in the forest and everything, then was this money in the existence? So in this chapter we will see that how money evolved, what is credit, and how different functioning is being taken. So money and credit, let's move forward. So what is money? You can see that in our short span of life we uses this money in our daily transactions, daily everyday life. Like for example, you go to watch movies, at the ticket counter you pay money. Now you will say, ma'am, abhi we don't pay money, we use card. So card is a form of plastic money, right? Card, Google Pay, whatever you are using, that is a medium, acting as a medium of exchange, no? But at the end money is being debited from your account and credited to someone else. Similarly, when you go for shopping, you buy number of things. Like your mother go for grocery shopping every month, she go to a DMart or a supermart and brought number of things together and pay for that. So this payment is in the form of money. Again you can see here, this is the train, okay? People are traveling via train, but to buy tickets you need money. Similarly here also you can see that people is buying vegetables and whatever it is they are buying and exchanging money. So we can see that the use of money spans a very large part of our everyday life. आप भी अगर क्लासेस आते हो या स्कूल जाते हो तो यू पे ना बस का भाड़ा. Otherwise if you don't pay bus fare, there is a monthly fare for your bus that is being taken by your schools. Simply you go to a shop to eat even an ice cream, you have to pay there the price. So money forms this large part of our life, because for everything that you need to purchase you need money. Then you can see, look around yourself. Sitting in the class only, just think, while coming to the class or going to the school, there are several transactions that involve money in a single day, that too in a single day. Like you went out, you purchased chocolate, साइकिल में हवा खत्म हो गई, पंक्चर भरवा लिया, कोई दोस्त के घर जाना है, पेट्रोल भराया और चले गए. So these kind of things happen, no, simultaneously, and you will see that this use of money is going on throughout the day. Then in many of these transactions goods are being bought and sold. अभी एग्जाम्पल हमने लिया था सुपरमार्केट का. यहाँ आप क्या देख रहे हैं? The lady is buying shoes and she is giving the money. So what she is doing? Exchanging it for money, right? In this diagram we can see that the lady is purchasing vegetables, groceries, and what she is giving from her purse, she took out the money and she is giving to the vendor. So here we also say that money is used to purchase goods which are sold. Acha, money is only used for purchase goods, that is not the case. It is used to purchase services also. Now why I am saying services? आप hotels में जाते हो, you stay with your family, आप क्या करते हो? You purchase services there. Restaurant में जाते हो, खाना order करते हो, खाना आता है, but क्या होता है? You avail their services, right? So we'll focus on this part, that in many transactions goods are being bought and sold with the use of money. So here we can say that materials that satisfy human wants. Now there is a big difference between wants and need. Need is something without which we cannot survive, like food, water, we cannot survive it without it. Wants is something we desire for. So goods are said to be the materials that satisfy our wants, and it could satisfy our needs too. Then in some of these transactions services are being exchanged with money. Earlier I told you in the previous example, look in the previous slide, you can see that here the shoes is being purchased and exchanged. So here the transaction of good is taking place. And in the earlier slide we will see here that the person is purchasing movie tickets, availing the train facility. Hence we can say that services are being also exchanged with the money. The example that I gave you was of restaurant, right? There also you go sit and dine with your family, you are availing the service in exchange of money. Instead nowadays what we do, we don't go to the restaurant, right? what we do that we order food online. So the Zomato guy or the Uber Eats, whosoever from you are ordering the food, they come to our doorsteps, and what they do, they deliver us the food. Hence they are giving a home service to us, home delivery service, and what we do, we pay him in exchange of that. Okay, so services are the facilities that satisfy human want. Facilities, मूवी टिकट खरीदने जाते हो, ये फैसिलिटी दी गई ना आपको कि यू कैन गो एंड वॉच movies in the hall. Again, you are using trains for transportation. Similarly, planes are being used, rides are there, similar things. So goods were the things that were satisfying human wants, and services are the facilities that satisfy human wants. Okay, now there is another thing. In the starting only we have seen money and credit. Now we will here discuss the concept of credit. Now for some, there might not be any actual transfer of money taking place, but a promise to pay money later. क्या मतलब है इसका कि मुझसे मैंने क्या किया, आपसे पैसे लिए, चलो मैंने आपसे पैसे लिए 50 रुपए, और मैंने एक प्रॉमिस किया कि मैं आपको बाद में वो पैसे लौटा दूंगी. तो व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज लोन. हियर देयर इज नो एक्चुअल ट्रांसफर ऑफ मनी टेकिंग प्लेस, बट क्या हो रहा है, मैं एक प्रॉमिस दे रही हूँ आपको कि नो, आई विल रीपे यू. सो नाउ हैव यू एवर वंडर्ड व्हाई ट्रांजैक्शंस आर मेड इन मनी? क्यों हम पैसे में ही ट्रांजैक्शंस करते हैं? व्हाई नॉट इन अदर थिंग एल्स? Yes, because in the earlier while introduction also I asked you all people that जो money है, जो पैसा है, was it from the beginning only? मतलब जब हम आदिकाल में रहते थे क्या तब से ये पैसा यूज होता था? So why transactions are made in money? We will see further. There is a reason is simple. Person holding money can easily exchange it for commodity or service he want. In this case, you saw the lady is having money, she is exchanging it for goods. In this case, you can see there is a long queue outside the ticket counter, and these people are carrying money and taking tickets. ये क्या बिना पैसे के tickets देंगे? Never. Here also you can see that the lady is purchasing vegetables from the vendor in exchange of money and the transportation facilities that is being used. Hence the simple reason is जिसके पास पैसे हैं वो easily exchange कर सकता है commodity और service जो भी उसको चाहिए. ओके, बट लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. आपको देख के क्या लगता है? पहले की पिक्चर्स है, पहले की है ये. यू कैन सी दिस एंड रिलेट इट हाउ पीपल आर डूइंग बिजनेस हियर, राइट? सो क्या इस टाइम पे भी मनी यूज होता था? वॉज देयर मनी? अभी आप लोगों ने अगर जोधा अकबर देखी होगी तो यू वुड हैव सीन दैट देयर इज अ वन सीन वेयर ऋतिक रोशन वेंट इनटू द पब्लिक प्लेस, कि जनता के बीच में जाके वो देखना चाहते थे कि क्या होता है. There you could have seen people were exchanging goods in exchange of goods only. मतलब कुछ सामान दिया और कुछ सामान लिया. तो क्या था? मनी का यूज नहीं होता था. तो उस मनीलेस इकोनॉमी को हम क्या कहते हैं? बार्टर इकोनॉमी. द मनीलेस इकोनॉमी where money was not being used was called as the barter economy. 2 marks क्वेश्चन के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है. Just remember the definition. Moneyless economy is called as barter economy. Now you see there is a picture that there is shoes, and here you can see there is some commodity that is being traded, right? So in this trade, the trading that is being taken place is without money. You can see that there is a dollar sign and the cross is put here. Okay, so this is just a symbolization in your slides that the money were not being used. Here what you can see, he is giving the shoes and the person in exchange of shoes is giving another good to the person. Okay, so hence in this economy trade took place without money being used.